Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: TPM2, zero and secure boot enabled, adequate RAM and storage, and a supported CPU. Once verified, make a complete backup so you can restore if needed. Next, choose the upgrade path, Installer Assistant for in-place upgrades, or Media Creation Tool to make a bootable USB. You'll download the appropriate tool now, then run it as administrator. This starts file checks and compatibility scans so the installer can prepare the upgrade. You proceed with installation. Either run setup from Windows or boot the USB and choose your language and edition. Select Keep Files and Apps if you want an in-place upgrade. Otherwise, choose Custom to clean install. During setup, accept the license and let the installer download drivers and updates. This prevents hardware issues later. Once installation begins, the system will restart several times. Make sure the laptop stays plugged in and avoid interrupting the process, so Windows can finish configuring services and accounts. You finish by completing the out-of-box experience. Sign in, set privacy options, and enable updates. Once on the desktop, immediately run Windows Update and install manufacturer drivers to ensure performance. Make a fresh backup now and configure your preferred apps. If something goes wrong, for example a boot failure, revert using the rollback option within 10 days or boot into safe mode to remove problematic drivers. If that fails, use your bootable USB to run repair tools or perform a clean reinstall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.